do that. Not hard.
Okay,
We
okay.
can get payments from crypto, or if you have PayPal, we can get PayPal too, or Visa.
Yes, we can do all of that. What I want to do is I want to solidify the software we create with the US, and also my brother, if you ever have interest in coming to the US, I also have an immigration service company where we help people come to the US if they like to come to the US. I mean, of course, it does, cost money and time and everything. But if you're working with me, we definitely work in our best interest to help you out.
Mhm. Yes, makes sense. Uh, if you want, I can give you real program for test. You want?
Yes, please, please. I definitely need to be able to test. For
Okay,
one,
I will send you. I will send you.
okay, and secondly, could we put a license on it where
What?
I said, can we license it? Like, can we protect the software where we can?
I that. Can you say again?
Can we license the software?
Light?
License,
A license, yeah, we have license system already.
because right now you say it's 250 for a for a lifetime, right?
Yeah, we have already license system. I don't think they are cracking our program. It's secure.
Say that again.
Yeah, it's hard to crack program now. I did it perfectly. Software protection.
So
Can
like
you send?
so say for instance, right? If I say, okay, if I run if I run a test,
Yeah,
and on the test I find out that we can charge people $50 monthly, and we can make more
$50
monthly, and
monthly.
we can make more money than $250.
Yeah, yeah. We
Could we
can
do
do
that?
we can do monthly plan, lifetime plan, monthly maybe $50 or $100. Yeah, we can do that, right?
Right. Do you have those options set up now?
What?
Do you have lifetime, monthly
Lifetime? Yeah,
options
yeah, I have.
now? Like, can a
Yeah, yeah,
customer pay monthly right now?
yeah, yeah. Right
And
now we can do that.
but do you have that option already?
Yeah, I can make it
You can make it.
easy.
You can make it easy. Okay. Okay. See, I need us to. That's why I wish you could cut your video on, man. I need us to be like brothers. We're gonna make a lot of money if we can, if we can push this
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
And I
Uh,
I
I
have
will.
I have money to run ads, you know. So I just want to make sure that when we start this thing, we in it for a long time.
You can trust me. I have in this business in 3 years, 4 years. I sold programs many times. I know 3 or 4 program language, some marketing skills, and some crypto developing. Yeah, I know the market and software, but I can't find time for marketing them because I have school. Mm, it's hard to find time. I'm trying to say that.
So I'm looking right now. Who is our competition?
Who can you say again?
Who is our competition?
Competition.
Right.
I don't know what does it mean in
Who?
Turkish. So
Okay. Who is our? Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Please. Hold on, I'm gonna ask. Oh, you know what? Turkish switch competition.
competition.
Yeah. Yeah. Yarisma.
What?
Yarisma.
Yarışma.
Yes.
You could
Yarisma.
yarışma.
Yarisma.
Yarış. Kim? You.
Yasma.
Who we are raising with it like that?
Yeah, competition. In Turkish, Yarisma means competition.
Okay, I understand.
Yarisma.
Yeah, yarışmak. Yeah, I understand. Uh, Wait, can you wait a sec?
I think it also says rekabet.
Hey, are you here?
Yes, yes.
We are competition with other uh, platforms, both for both sale, Spotify sales. But we can, if we can make it good brand, we can make tons of money. I know many guys who want to buy this, and I have many customers before I sold this program.
How many? If you had to say, how many users do you have right now?
I don't know, but I can say average number. I sold this program before 5,500 people average. 500 average, yeah.
How many would you say is on Lifetime?
Uh, Lifetime program, lifetime plan.
Yes.
I don't know, but I can find them.
Yeah. You have some paying monthly.
Yeah, I have monthly and lifetime license. I have license system for make it. I can make 1 day license to 2 day to 1 month or 2 months, 3 months. Have settings for that.
And how much you been charging for the monthly?
Monthly, I'm thinking for now, $15 or $400. Each choice. I don't know. You know marketing too. What do you think?
Well, I'm thinking that if we just had a lifetime and we had a $50 a month program.
Yeah, $50 works. If they You want to buy more? They can buy lifetime plan.
But I'm wondering how could we you you can set up affiliate links,
What? Can you
uh,
say
uh,
that again?
affiliate links.
Affiliate link.
No, affiliate. Like, hold on one second. Let me translate it and
Can you
see.
wait 5 minutes, please? Wait. Check it, and you can write your ideas how we should add program, and we can talk about uh, monthly and lifetime price after you test program. Is that okay?
Yes, yes. And can we make affiliate links?
Yeah,
Okay.
we can.
Okay, yeah, that'd be very good if we can make affiliate links. I know a lot of college students. Some of my family members are very, very popular college students that's in the music industry.
It is good, bro. Now I will send a program, then you can test it. We can talk later. Is it okay?
Yes, that's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, because you should see program, and
Yeah,
we should re-meet. Yeah,
yeah. And did you ever get that phone number?
my phone number.
Yes, so we don't lose connection. We need to, we got to be tied, brother, tight.
Yeah, I will send you my number. I need to get US number. Today I'm gonna buy, then I can send you. Okay.
Okay, okay, I got you. I got you. But you already have a phone number, don't you?
I have Turkey phone number. We can't talk with there.
Oh, Turkey can talk through WhatsApp.
We can't call another country members. Yeah, I can't call.
Even with WhatsApp? I talked to a guy in Turkey right
Yeah,
now.
we will do WhatsApp, bro.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that we stay, man. I'm very serious about business. So I just want to make sure that we stay long term. I make you a lot of money, make you a millionaire.
Yeah, I need that, bro.
Man,
I
you
really need that.
you can do it. You can do it. I can
You
tell.
have any partners?
Yes, yes, I have many partners. I primarily sell real estate.
Let's make group for talk.
Well, I don't have software partners. Software partners is really me by my. Well, actually, I take that back. I do have some software partners. One software partner I am gonna connect you with, and we'll create a group. But I do
Yeah,
wanna.
okay. I can create group now from Telegram.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
He only use WhatsApp.
I have one partner too. I will add him too, so you can meet him too. Yeah.
Awesome. He only uses WhatsApp.
What?
I said my partner only uses WhatsApp.
Yeah. I will create group from WhatsApp today. I'm gonna do that. Okay, bro.
Okay, okay.
Now I should quit the meet. We can talk later.
Yes, later, bro. Later.
Thanks. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too. And what's your name?
My name is Hakan. You?
Azov.
Azov. Nice to meet you, bro. Thanks. We will talk later. Okay? I'm gonna hang up.
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.